How do we start our videos? We should have like a very easy good morning. No, that's too chippery.
What's that? Primary school?
Good morning!
Good morning!
Today's video is a celebration video!
Because...
That's fireworks.
I think we should put the effects in after, rather than you just being a special effect. Bitcoin hit its all-time high twice actually, because it hit it once and then it's gone up of 24,000 yesterday. If you hold in Bitcoin, you're Bitcoin rich. Even if you only got a little bit, it's a little bit more than you had before.
So right now it's at 23336.5. Beautiful number. I don't know if you're into numerology. Also, it's very Christmas up in here. Also, I've got hair now.
Oh, we didn't even mention that.
I know.
We just brushed over that.
I know.
Wow.
The record was when we hit the 20,000. That's when the record. We hit it, and a lot of people predicted that it was going to happen this year. Our friend Carl and Chris predicted it was going to happen this year, and it did. And a lot of people were waiting for it to happen, and then it happened.
Yeah.
But I thought it was going to happen, and then it was going to go boom, because everyone was going to sell. But no, it's been going up. Now it's on 23,000.
Well, I think once it broke 20k, the resistance was before 20k.
Yeah.
So 20k is like a psychological barrier for everyone, and lots of people had like sell orders before 20k.
Yeah.
So like 19.8, 19.9, because they also thought it would drop. At
Yeah.
20. So it was struggling to get above 20k, but once it breaks 20k, I mean, this is uncharted territory.
Yeah.
Because it's gone through the psychological barrier, so now nobody wants to sell. Not everybody wants to buy. That's why we're seeing it going up, because everyone's like, oh my god, maybe it's going to stay above 20k, maybe there's not going to be another dip. There's going to be another dip. But maybe there's not going to be another dip, and we just buy. Oh my god, it's going to be 50k. Oh my god, it's going to be 300 million k by the end of the year. That's what I've been seeing on Twitter.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Everyone's hyped.
People are hyped.
People are
hyped.
You would be.
Yes.
If you've been holding Bitcoin for a few years, you should get a bottle of champagne out.
Yes.
Because this is a big thing.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is it? You mentioned psychology and human psychology with why do you think it was such a big barrier for us to hit 20k?
Why it's such a fucking big number, considering Bitcoin started off at like $1. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's insane. It's absolutely insane.
It's crazy.
And I remember a few years ago when Bitcoin hit 5k for the first time. So that was another psychological barrier. 5,000.
Yeah.
And when it got to 5,000, it did suddenly drop back down.
That's what I thought.
Because everybody
20K.
like celebration sold their Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I'm rich! And then they bought it back at a lower price. But yeah, that's usually what happens. But this time it doesn't seem to be normal, regular people that are buying the Bitcoin that's making the price go up. It's institutional money. This is big finance. Like in 2017 when the price went to its all-time high, you remember, right? That hype. That was people like me and you getting on the Bitcoin train.
Yeah. I think there's going to be another wave.
Oh, there will be.
Yeah.
But we've not even hit that yet.
No. And now the governments are getting interested in Bitcoin and actually cryptocurrency in general. So it's going to be interesting with the government getting their fucking tentacles in.
Like regulate.
Yeah, man.
We don't know what that's going to do to the price.
This is the thing. It could either be really, really good because then we have like fundings from big banks buying crypto, and it can be woo. Or they can try to control it and try to destabilize the whole market, which is going to make everything drop. So it could be either or. And this is an interesting time to be alive and hold Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. Yeah. This is what's interesting because when this hit a couple of days ago, when we hit the 20,000, I said it will hit to 23,000 and it was going to drop. And then you said
28.
I think that's insane. It's like huge. Before it drops. Now it's on 23 and it hasn't dropped yet. So I'm just like...
It's going to keep climbing for a little bit, I think.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I genuinely, I do think so. And I'm not one of those people that's like, Bitcoin's going to hit 100k in one day. Like, I'm not one of those people. Like, Bitcoin price will fall. It will fall again because that's the nature of the market.
Right.
But I don't think it's going to fall again sharply so quickly as you think.
Right.
Yeah. You tend to see the price of something will drop after it's been in a huge bubble and the bubble bursts. Yeah, like the housing market.
Yeah.
But this period of growth before a sharp drop is marked by frenzied buying, something that we call frenzied buying, and it's where people just like, it's almost like panic buying, like hoarding, and the price just goes like whoosh.
Yeah.
But if you see this price, it's like it's going up and then it's hovering for a bit and it's getting stuck, and then it's going up a little bit and it's getting stuck. You know what I mean? Like it was hovering at like 19.5 for like a week before it shot up.
Yeah.
So it's not really characteristic of frenzied buying. But like Dee said before, when regular people are like, oh my god, Bitcoin's going, you're going to see a price increase and then a price drop.
Yeah.
I think.
And especially if a lot of newspapers now are going to pick up stories and
Bitcoin hits all time.
Yeah, all of these news,
it's gonna push the price up.
100%. And then all these regular people see like phrases coined as like Bitcoin rich, as a new form of rich. Remember how it was like you used to be music rich, you used to be
YouTube rich.
YouTube rich.
YouTube
Now
rich.
it's like Bitcoin rich.
Like crypto rich. Ah, yeah, what does he do? Oh, crypto.
I need to get into Bitcoin. Everybody I know is rich and they're doing Bitcoin.
Everyone's day trading crypto. But be careful if you are a regular Joe watching it. Well, obviously, I'm not Goldman Sachs is not watching Two Girls One Coin. What up, Goldman Sachs? We hate you. Fuck you. Thanks for crashing the economy in 2008. Sometimes what happens is big money buy up a huge amount of a stock, and then they sell it to the papers to hype it, so that everybody buys it. It shoots their price up, and then they just dump it on the market and sell it. It's a tactic.
What?
Yeah.
Sorry, say that again.
So I'm a big investor.
Right.
I'm famous.
Right.
I put 50 million in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And then I go on the news and be like, Bitcoin's gonna hit 300,000, and hype it up.
people
So
go,
everyone's like, oh my god, such and such a buddy said Bitcoin's gonna hit, and then they buy it. That pushes the price up, and I just sell my Bitcoin.
and then there's a huge dip because you own a lot of.
So be careful. Don't believe all the hype. But I am a Bitcoin believer in the long term. Bitcoin's going to continue to rise in the long term. But don't buy into this short-term hype. If you're going to buy because you want to buy, because you believe in Bitcoin in the long term, buy.
Yeah.
But buy with the knowledge that it might drop soon. It might even drop back down to like 10k. We don't know.
No.
It might, in the short term, drop. But don't panic sell. If you buy it now, just hold.
Right.
Just hold on to it.
Yeah, that's what a lot of big Bitcoin traders have been said. We have a couple of friends in this space, and they're saying the same thing. Just hold. Buy to hold. Yeah. So keep your eye on.
Don't
the
get
price.
frenzied. Don't get caught up in the human psychology of I'm missing the train, I'm missing the boat. If I don't get on the Bitcoin boat now, it's going to take off. A lot of that hype is generated by big Bitcoin holders who have an interest in pushing the price up.
So advice is buy if you believe in it and hold.
Buy and hold.
Don't sell in a frenzy.
Yes. And don't put all your money now in Bitcoin because you're like, oh, it's gonna be 100k, and then get disappointed when it doesn't hit 100k.
Right.
It's not gonna hit 100k before the end of the year.
They're just so excited.
Yeah,
I
which
think.
is fair enough.
Yeah.
It's fair enough.
But it's not. I'm not gonna say
it's not. It could happen, but it's not realistic.
That's what I was
Let's
gonna say,
not
it's
bet
not
our money
realistic,
on it.
but yeah.
We don't want to bet our money on it.
I know, actually, because you are actually betting your money on it. So don't.
Don't do that.
No, do that. That's it for today's episode. It's a short and sweet and juicy one. We would just want to celebrate the fact that we just hit. We're Bitcoin rich.
We're not. We're more Bitcoin rich than we were at the start of the last week.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. And
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Where's my cats?
Where are my dogs? Merry Christmas! And congratulations everybody that holds Bitcoin!
Congratulations!
And